Hi, everyone, and welcome to a new video series called Design Plus Shorts, where you'll learn about the new Design Plus sidebar in bite-sized videos. Today, we'll explore how to add a theme to a Canvas page using, can you guess, the Design Plus sidebar. Themes are a great starting off point if you have content with no styling, like the page I'll show you. Adding a theme will allow you to use the Design Plus interactive tools. And they can also make your content look great on each page. And Super Plus bonus, themes make content easier to read for students. It also has accessibility tools. Okay, first, let's add a theme to a content page with just some standard content. First, we'll open the page you'd like to style and select Edit just like you normally would do. Now launch the Design Plus sidebar. And as you can see, I already have some content on my page and it's unstyled. The page is also using the proper page headings and paragraphs for accessibility. You can see an H3 here, a paragraph here, and so on. Now, to apply a theme, just click on your first paragraph in the Design Plus sidebar. Click on Add New Elements, which is the plus icon, and search for Theme. And click that button, and the theme is automatically added. It's like magic. Now, we're going to go down to the area under Style. So expand the Style accordion, and you can see that this expands to show your options. One thing you want to make sure of is make sure this icon, it's called the primary icon, is toggled on. Today, we'll add a legacy theme. Expand this accordion. This is where all the beautiful City Labs themes live that you can use. Hover over a theme to see a preview of what it will look like on your page. And like magic, it looks fantastic. So we'll select Bookmark One theme. And the theme is applied to all headings, all colors are updated, and the entire page is updated with that theme. And don't forget to save your page to see what it looks like in Canvas to your students. Okay, and that is it. How easy was that? You've successfully applied a theme to your Canvas page using Design Plus. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or follow us for more tutorials about the beloved Design Plus sidebar.